You're watching How Leap. Let me show you why your Android pictures aren't sending and how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Ensure your mobile data is on and you have signal. Check the file size. Large pictures may fail to send VMs, which has a size limit. Compress the image. Or send via a different app like WhatsApp. Verify the recipient's number. If it's correct, restart your phone. This often fixes temporary glitches. Clear the cache of your messaging app. Go to Settings, Apps, find your messaging app, tap Storage, then Clear Cache. Update the app via the Play Store. If using, check your APN settings. Contact your carrier for the correct settings. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.